The Larson Electronics EPL-SBDL-150RT-72 explosion-proof switchblade pivoting dock light provides operators with a powerful and energy-efficient alternative to traditional hazardous location luminaries. Cree LED technology and the double pivot point swing arm design make this lamp an excellent replacement upgrade option for less durable and efficient halogen or HID loading bay and dock lights. This Class 1 Division 1 and 2, Class 2 Division 1 and 2 explosion-proof dock light provides 17,500 lumens of high-quality light while drawing only 150 watts. The high-output LED light head is mounted to an adjustable two-part swing arm constructed of lightweight aluminum. The two-piece arm design provides two pivot points, one at the mounting bracket and one in the center of the swing arm. This swing arm is also ideal for mounting the unit to loading door areas and docks for use as a loading bay or dock light. This dock light is universal voltage capable and can be operated with 100 to 277 volt AC at 50 to 60 Hz. This explosion-proof LED light fixture is IP67 rated, dust-proof, and protected against high-pressure jets and temporary submersion. Here are the class divisions and ratings. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.